How to scrape data from Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can scrape data from Yelp. Scraping data from Yelp can be useful for various purposes such as market research, competitor analysis, or understanding user opinions, and here is how to go about it. The first thing you can do is by making use of Pythons and libraries. Alright, so you can write a Python script to scrape Yelp data using libraries like HTTP Exparcel and JMES path, and then you can install the necessary libraries into your account, and then after that you can reverse the engineer Yelp search functionality to find businesses. You can submit search queries and pass the account. Now, how do you submit search queries? You can submit it by contacting the customer support, and you can do that by moving to the lower right corner of the screen and then clicking on the more option. Here, scroll down, and then after scrolling down, you can see the support center. Click on the support center, and then you'll be taken to the support center's page. Here, just go ahead and ask your question, which is how to submit search queries. Follow all the instructions given to you, and you are good to go. And then once you are done with that, another thing you can do in order to scrape your company's data is by extracting your business details such as address, website, and location. This is if you have a business account already. Now, one thing is that for you to be able to scrape your data from Yelp, basically you have to be using business account. All right, that is Yelp Business. So to use Yelp Business or to create a business profile on Yelp is simple. Click on the more options, scroll down, click on add a business, and then after creating a profile, all these explanations that I'm making will be easier to understand because you'll be able to extract your business details on this profiles page, and also avoid scraping blocking. All right, don't do that. Okay, and follow the on-screen instructions as well. You can also make use of web scraping tools. All right, tools like Octopus allows you to scrape data from Yelp without writing code. All right, so once you're on Octopus, copy the Yelp page link you want to scrape. All right, after copying it, create a workflow in Octopus, customize data fields using simple expert, run the Yelp crawler to retrieve data, and you are good to go. But while scraping your data, remember to respect Yelp's terms of use and scraping guidelines to avoid being blocked. Have a good time scraping. Thanks for watching.